Hi all. So today I'm going to discuss about AWT in Java and buttons. Java AWT is an API that contains large number of classes and methods to create and manage graphical user interface applications. The AWT was designed to provide a common set of tools for GUI design that could work on a variety of platforms. The tools provided by the AWT are implemented using each platform's native GUI toolkit, hence preserving the look and feel of each platform. This is an advantage of using AWT, but the disadvantage of such approach is that GUI design on one platform may look different when displayed on another platform. That means AWT components are platform dependent. AWT is a foundation upon which Swing is made. That is, Swing is an improved GUI API that extends the AWT. But nowadays, AWT is mainly used because most GUI Java programs are implemented using Swing because of its rich implementation of GUI controls and lightweighted nature. Event handling Java. So what is an event? The change in the state of an object is known as event. That is, event describes a change in state of source. Events are events are generated as a result of user interaction with the graphical user interface components. For example, clicking a button, moving the mouse, entering a character through keyboard, selecting an item from list, scrolling the page are the activities that cause an event to happen. So what is an event handling? Event handling is a mechanism that controls the event and describe what should happen if an event occurs. This mechanism have the code which is known as event handler that is executed when an event occurs. Java uses the delegation event model to handle the events. Java AWT button. The button is basically a control component with a label that generates an event when pushed. The button class is used to create a labeled button that has platform independent implementation. The application results in some action when the button is pushed. When we press a button and release it, AWT send an instance of action event to that button by calling process event on the button. The process event method of the button receives all the events. Then it processes an event action event by calling its own method process action event. This method passes the event action event on to the action listener that are interested in action events generated by the button. To perform an action on a button being processed and released, the action listener interface needs to be implemented. A registered new listener can receive events from the button or by calling add action listener method of the button. The Java application can use the button's action command as a message protocol. For, for example, in this program, we are importing a java.awt.star package onto this code. And next, we will open the main class and then we will create an object of the frame and we will label it as button example. And next, we will create an object of the button B and we will also label it as a click here button. Then next we will set the position of the button in the frame and we will add the button onto the frame by using the function add. Then we will set the visibility and size of the frame. So this will be our end output of the program, which will display a frame called button example. And inside the frame, we will have a button named as click here. Thank you everyone. I hope you all enjoyed my presentation. Have a nice day.